Welcome to my messy studio, everyone. My name is Mark, and I'm an artist and an art professor. And I'd like to announce that I will be reprising 2 of my online workshops starting in the second half of September. The first workshop is titled The Fundamentals of Crosshatching, the 6 Basic Strokes. This 3-hour workshop is designed for beginning level artists and will teach you simple, effective crosshatching methods that can be applied to a variety of subject matter, such as landscape, illustration, figure drawing, and urban sketching. As the title suggests, I'm going to cover the 6 types of hatching strokes commonly used in crosshatching, explain 5 simple rules to follow, show you some extremely useful exercises for developing your dexterity with a pen, and lastly, demonstrate how to apply these various skills by doing a drawing of these deceptively simple geometric forms. And as a bonus, once the workshop is over, I'll give you the opportunity to submit your drawings for individual review. This is going to be a fun, fast-paced workshop that I think will be useful to those getting started with pen and ink drawing or just looking to improve their hatching skills. So far, I have 2 dates available, Sunday, September 21st, and Sunday, September 28th, both from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Then, in October, I have 2 more workshops scheduled, this time of my follow-up to the Introduction to Crosshatching class, titled Drawing Details and Textures in Pen and Ink. This workshop adds an extra layer of complexity by dealing with objects with complex surfaces and textures. Texture is an especially challenging thing to do in pen and ink because this is a medium where things have to be suggested rather than defined. What I mean by this is that some mediums allow you to simply record what you see, while in pen and ink you can only approach the actual appearance of things through carefully placed strokes that evoke a sense of texture or detail in the viewer's imagination. This workshop will give you the skills you need to create convincing textures and other surfaces in pen and ink, and will feature charts, helpful diagrams, old master examples, a full-length still life drawing demonstration, and once again, the option to have me give you feedback on your own work. The dates for this workshop are Sunday, October 12th and October 19th from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Please visit my website, the link to which I'll leave below for more information, and stay tuned for my other workshops and perhaps even some new ones later this year. Thanks so much for watching, and see you back in my messy studio very soon. Bye for now.